Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using voice typing on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Voice typing is a super useful feature of Google Docs. It can be particularly helpful if you aren't very quick at typing or are writing a very long piece of text. Follow the steps to learn how to use voice typing. In an open document, click Tools from the top menu bar. Then select Voice Typing from the options. You will see that a microphone appears in the top left corner. You can click the language at the top of the microphone to change the language if you like. The language that you will speak in should be the one selected. When you click on the microphone, you will have to accept a few permissions. So click on the microphone and then click Turn On. Click Allow to allow Safari to recognize your voice. Then click Allow to allow microphone access. You can now just click on the microphone and start talking to use the voice to type feature. Everything you say will be typed into the document. You can say punctuation out loud to enter it into the text. When using the voice to type feature, you can also just type normally if you like, if the microphone isn't picking up a certain word or sentence. To remove the microphone and go back to normal typing, just click the X in the top right of the microphone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.